Connecting a Google domain to Mailchimp involves configuring DNS records to verify your domain and enable email features. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Google Domains. Go to Google Domains and log in with your Google account. Access your domain settings. Select the domain you want to connect to Mailchimp. Open DNS settings. Click on DNS from the left-hand menu to open the DNS settings page. Get Mailchimp verification details. Log into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to website and then domains. Click add domain and then enter your domain name. Mailchimp will provide TXT and NX records for domain verification and email functionality. Add TXT record for verification. In Google Domains, under the Custom Resource Records section, add a new record. Add MX records for email. Still in Google Domains, add MX records. Save and verify. Save your DNS settings in Google Domains. Return to Mailchimp and click Verify to complete the setup. Check for propagation. DNS changes might take up to 48 hours to propagate.